Hello and welcome from Caravan Salon, Dusseldorf. I'm going to show you some camper vans here from Bravia Mobil. In fact, I'm going to start off with this one here. It's called a Swan 680. It's on an MAN base, and so it's 680 centimeters long. I think it might be 683 actually, but it's just under 7 meters. MAN base means it's going to cost more, and if I find how much it costs, I'll tell you. And so this thing here got a German layout at the back, so if you're a bit taller, you've got more space to lie down. You've got a wardrobe here, and you've got this storage. I like these city silhouettes that they put up. And here we've got this utterly enormous washroom for a camper van. Isn't that big? That's quite fantastic, in fact, I think. And sink here, fridge here, and 2 burners there. Very nice looking vehicle. Now you can get the same one in a 6-meter version, which is here, highly polished floor, and this thing here is going to cost 88,000 euros. I'll home on the road and come in this way to give you an idea. Oh, it looks very elegant inside. Obviously it's 6-meter vehicle, so I think it'd be a bit too much to expect to see so much in a lengthwise configuration. Widthwise bed, the other one's got 80 centimeters more to play with, so it can give a lengthwise bed. It's got aircon up there. Once more, very large washroom with a sensible sliding door. Storage units built into here. Looks very elegant, but they're not very practical because, no, I suppose it's not too bad. I do like to have this free up here so you can stand up when you come out of the cockpit there. There's a bit of storage up there as well. Nice colours, depends what you want, of course. Bear in mind, all of this is to a large extent it's taste, what people are what they actually get inside. Right, 6-meter camper van here, also called a Swan, on the Peugeot base, and this thing here will cost, we'll try the technical data, see if that works. No, it doesn't matter, it'll cost something. And edition 30, okay, so this is your typical Fiat Ducato camper van. Only this Fiat Ducato's on a Peugeot, and it depends on the colours. Actually, I think this is too dark, to be quite honest. It's for my taste. Oh, I do like the washroom though. Look at that, it's nice. Comes with a Dometic fridge here. We've got the kitchen block with a bit of storage on the top. Well, a bit of storage, a bit of space to play around with. 2 burners, sink, and let's go to the next one. Alright, so what's this? Swan 599. What was the other one called then? That was called a Swan 5. Oh, it's a Swan Trend, this one is. So this one here is trendy, unlike the other one. And so price information says contact the salesperson. It's a bit like Germany was 100 years ago. The prices were going up all the time, that they couldn't actually advertise prices. In fact, in Germany 100 years ago, the situation was like this, is that you had to buy your food as soon as you got paid. So people paid like twice or even thrice a day. So you buy your food and you get paid in the morning, go and get your food. Paid in at midday, go and get your food, and then get paid in the evening, go and get your food. Because of inflation. Anyway, bit of history, of interest in history. You may want to see my history channel. It's called History on YouTube, and I do a lot of stuff on that related to economics and indeed German history. Anyway, so now this, however, this is a motorhome camping channel, so I shall stick to telling you about vehicles. Don't see what's trendy about that other than the silhouette. Anyway, let's go into still got some more. This isn't the end of the story here. Come over here, and we've got there's a Swan 636, and we've got another Swan 636, 636 centimeters in length. Price list we're not going to find out. Never mind, I don't like these touch screens. Oh, so we are, look at that, 75,000 euros, see? Stick around with me, we'll get the price. Inside, it's got a tent in the roof. It's got sort of the wooden... this layout, I think, actually might work better in a motorhome. That's just my opinion, rather than a camper van. It's my opinion, I don't know, other people might think differently. I think it's a bit dark, actually. It looks a bit like... looks like something Corbe, you know, Swedish motorhome manufacturer. Oops, sorry. There you go. Shower, a toilet. It's quite nice, actually, that one, isn't it? It will open one of these out. I don't think I've opened one up yet. It's got a bit of a ledge. That's okay. Not too bad. Depth. What's the point of this? Absolutely useless. You can't do anything with it. You see, if people actually made the things, tried using them, you'd know what you can use for storage and what you can't. It's got one window there and two windows at the back. Fridge here and two burners and a sink. That's the burners, not the sink. So Trent Swan 636. It's got a rear where people can talk. We've got that is the shore power. It's got TV written on it, but that's where you stick the shore power. External barbecue. This thing here will have lengthwise beds at the back. We've got the same toilet. We've got a bit of space here around the table. Table comes out. What is nice, however, is the fact that you've got the window up there, which allows this light to come in. I do appreciate that. Okay, sort of storage there, and same fridge here, and steps up to the bed. I'll just demonstrate this toilet, because this really is the strong point of this van. Very attractive. Okay, good. So have a look down the Bravia Mobil range current. In this case, on the Peugeot and MAN basis. So, thanks so much for watching. I hope you found it interesting, and I upload every day at 21:15. And so if you're interested in camper vans and motorhomes, this is the largest site for that type of thing on the internet. Nearly 5,000 videos on the subject, or traveling around as well. So if you want to see more, please subscribe. Also, I do live talks and things from events such as this, and I do interact with the viewers, both of them. Thanks for watching.